So dhawaad.
How are you?
Very fine. How are you doing? Waa mahadsantahay. Thank you very much. So dhawaad. Madaxtooyada Soomaaliya kusoo dhawaad.
Thank you.
For the first time in Mogadishu?
Since I left, صح.
When you left?
I left 92.
I see. How old you were by that time?
Maybe like 9 months, something like that. محسوس. Yeah. MashaAllah. And this is your second term in office?
Yes.
You're doing much better in Somalia.
Right.
I'll tell you that, yeah. No, you're very loved.
Thank you.
Amongst the people. Everyone just says great things.
When you started this sport stuff?
So I started when I was 12, and I think in 2016 I decided I wanted to compete for Somalia. It was very difficult.
Ramla, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it. I'm very much grateful.
Thank you.